How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday we showcase one particular park model. And today it goes by the 506 DL. What makes the 506 DL so great is, as you can see, it has a nice light color option inside this living area, and it makes it nice and airy. And what adds on to that is these nice clear story windows, as you see right here, bringing in all that natural light. And you can also see that there's a nice Pentazoid window as well, bringing in a nice symmetrical look, bringing a one-of-a-kind feel to this particular side of the house. And it brings a nice showcase to this living area. And as you can see right here as well, we have a nice built-in entertainment center. There's plenty of space down below for all your DVDs and everything that you need. You got a nice HD laminate right above, and a nice slot right there for you to mount a flat screen TV. And what's so great about this is it's an open concept, and it flows perfectly into your dining area. You have a nice space right here for a table that you can sit, have a couple stools on the side, and enjoy your lunch or dinner. You have a nice built-in hutch if you need a little bit of extra space. You have cabinets down below for everything that you need, cabinets up above as well. Guys, we even got USB ports right here. So those that like to be a little bit more tech savvy and need to charge your phone, you plug them in right there, you're good to go. As you can see right here, we have nice HD laminate countertop, an abundance of space right here for you to work, and then right above it is a nice tile that complements this so beautifully. If you see right here, we have a nice Vent-A-Hood microwave. And then right below, we've got a smooth top stove. These appliances are in white. Remember, guys, we're keeping that nice, light, airy feel in here. You've got a small dishwasher right here. It's perfect for the tiny home, enough to put all your dishes in there and not have to worry about this stainless steel sink right here that you do have if you need to. And then below right here, we also have another section of the hutch. You've got cabinets right here below, cabinets up above. We've got an abundance of cabinets in here. White refrigerator with more cabinets behind it. Guys, there's cabinets here everywhere. You will not run out of space in this home. And that leads right here into the shower and the bath. You see right here, you got a built-in sink, nice step-in shower with the seats on both sides. Gives you a lot of quality into this home and this bathroom. You got a pocket door that closes this off for your privacy. You guys follow me right back here, and you'll see we got stackable washer and dryers. Again, with the front loaders, we're keeping them white as well to match everything else. And right here, it leads back into your master with another pocket door. Come right in here, guys, and you'll see there's more than enough room for you and the guests if you like. You got nightstands on each side, so you can put your alarm clocks, put your phone, whatever you like right there. And cabinetry up above for extra storage space. Remember, guys, we give you more than enough storage space in here. Got a nice cover right here for your electric panel, blends in nice with the built-in. We have right over here the bifold doors. You see right here, you got more than enough space to hang all your clothes and your coats. And then for the things that you would like to fold, you put them right here in the dresser that's built in. Got a nice slot right above for you to put another TV as well. And guys, you follow me right this way, and we'll lead right up to the bonus about this house. This is the 506 DL, and the DL stands for double loft. So you follow me this way. Alright guys, now we're up here in the DL, the double loft, and there's two sides up here so you can maximize the space and the opportunity for your needs. If you look behind me, we've got more than enough space right here for you. You got USB ports over there in the wall, plug-ins as well, clear stories on both sides, and can lights throughout. This is actually separated from the other side, so the other side is private as well. So if anybody wants to go back there, have the teenager hangout, that's the spot to do it at right there in the back. And guys, there's more than enough options right here in this double loft, and it's a great feature for this 506 DL. Alright guys, I just want to take the time to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday. Again, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to our videos, and look out for more videos to come. I thank you so much, and remember two words: stay tiny.